Speaker representing Borno South Senatorial District, Senator Ali Ndume, has opposed the proposed value-added tax VAT increase, arguing that the federal government should avoid placing additional tax burden on poor Nigerians. The National Assembly is reportedly considering a bill to raise VAT from the current 7.5% to 10% by 2025, with further plans to increase it to 12.5% between 2026 and 2029. Speaking on Arise Television, Ndume expressed concern that the proposed tax hike would disproportionately impact Nigeria's struggling population. He highlighted the daily struggles of millions of Nigerians, many of whom he noted can barely make ends meet. He advised the government to reconsider the VAT increases, warning that the further tax hike could exacerbate the financial strain on low-income households. Ndume said, if Nigerians can pay for those taxes, it is okay. But in the current situation, increasing taxes is not an alternative at all. I would not support any increase in taxes. Let us get things right first. Let people start living and not surviving. Let people have extra income. The North has more poverty. So if you want to increase taxes again, let's be considerate. Tax those who can afford it. Those who can afford the taxes in Nigeria are not even paying for them. I'm going to start campaigning against the increase in tax for now, because it does not only affect the northerners, it affects the average Nigerian. I'm not saying people should not pay taxes, but don't tax people that are barely surviving. Let the authority concentrate on those that are supposed to pay tax. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.